every day 750 neurons can be created. Every day 750 neurons can be generated. Otherwise, thousands of the neurons are dying because of your coffee addiction, because of your addiction, because of your emotion, because of your reaction. Uncontrolled inflammation damages your neurons. That's why at the age of 50 years, 60 years, memory is fading away in the West. And how come you consider the best? The number of Alzheimer's, the number of Parkinson's, the number of memory dementia, if you really observe in the West, and now in India also started. Why? Because inflammation killed it. Because you are not caused the inflammation. And because whoever is causing inflammation, you avoided them, you pampered yourself. No. You escape from inflammation. Why you ran away from your parents, or why you don't want to stay with your parents, or why you don't want to stay, why you want to stay alone? Because you want to avoid the inflammation. You want to avoid the observer. With the result, you lost your memory. With the result, and with the result, inflammation is killing you. Inflammation, everything is inflammation, my dear. If you don't know how to cause inflammation, that's it. Whether it is your exercise, whether it is your meditation, whether it is by default, inflammation is only kills you. When you say suffering, when Buddha said suffering, means you do not know about programmed inflammation. And Buddha, what he discovered is unprogrammed inflammation. In other meditations, they have not allowed him to progress. He learned only one thing. Oh my God, actually a middle path. Why Patanjali is famous? For giving you a middle path. Why Buddha is famous? Middle path. The first few slokas itself in Sadhana Pada, and Patanjali clears. You see, my dear, it is not eccentric path, it is not. This path is totally a programmed inflammation. Middle path. Middle path means Buddha gives a example of any musical instrument. If you tighten the wire, too much, it will break. Sound is distorted because too much of vibration. If you don't tighten the strings of the musical, whether it's a guitar, whatever it is, if you don't tie, if you leave it loose, no music comes. It's what Buddha discovered is, he said, oh my God, I discovered, I used to be too much inflicting the pain like an ascetic, What a damage I have done myself. I went to extreme paths. That's the reason they only left me shattered, they only left me, suffering. They caused enormous inflammation, enormous damage to me. Unknowingly, I went to the gurus who caused a wrong inflammation. And I enjoy thinking that wrong inflammation, more inflammation means, unscientific inflammation. I only looking for more inflammation. Because Kumar told inflammation is good. So I went on, burning myself, putting a candle and, so trying to jump into the fire to burn so that more I will grow. But I realized jumping into the fire only burns. This is what Buddha discovered. This is what Patanjali is different from others. Do you know that? Patanjali, the incredible nature is to discovering the middle path. The incredible discovery of any enlightened person, a Krishna, is all about telling about middle path. Yoga is inflammation, programmed inflammation. The inflammation is to shape, inflammation is not to break. Without inflammation, no making.